We are pleased to show you the 2017 Escalade. A full-size luxury SUV, the Cadillac Escalade stands for A-list style. Thrilling, yet effortless performance combined with advanced luxury and technology that's on the leading edge of the industry makes the Escalade an easy choice. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: blind spot monitor, tow hitch, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, power lift gate, engine immobilizer, luggage rack, four-wheel disc brakes, air suspension, privacy glass. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.